Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to Agnicart. Today's video tutorial is going to be all about email settings. So first we'll talk about how the admin will receive emails from every order that takes place. In your store, once you place an order, for example, I now secure checkout, uh, you can either add a new address, or if you already have put an address, you can select that. Next, free shipping. Next, the cash on delivery. Pay now. Confirm. Your order has now been placed. So now, since an order has been placed by the customer, you as an admin will receive an email saying that so and so order has been placed. So now you can go back to your dashboard, go to settings, go to email. These are email settings for every order that the customer makes. So you can edit it, or you can add any general email footer or order email footer that you would like. Thank you for watching.